Alright, let's go. Number 10, dark matter. Look around you. Everything you can see and touch feels solid and real, but all of it together makes up less than 5% of the universe. The rest is something we can't see. Scientists call it dark matter. We can't observe it directly, but we know it exists because of what it does. When scientists study galaxies, they see stars moving so fast they should fly apart. By the rules we know, galaxies shouldn't stay together, but they do. Something invisible is pulling everything inward and holding it in place. That unseen pull is what we call dark matter. It doesn't give off light, and we still don't know what it's made of, but without it, galaxies wouldn't form, stars wouldn't stay in place, and life would never have had the chance to exist. Number 9, dark energy. Scientists once believed the universe was expanding, but slowing down. That was the assumption for decades. Gravity pulls things together, so over time, expansion should lose speed. It made sense. But in 1998, scientists discovered something that broke that idea completely. The expansion of the universe isn't slowing down at all, it's speeding up. Space itself is being pushed apart faster and faster. It's like throwing a ball into the air, and instead of falling back down, it accelerates away from you. Something unknown is causing this. Scientists named it dark energy. We can't see it, we can't measure it directly, and we don't know what it is, but it appears to dominate the universe. This discovery led to a disturbing idea called the Big Rip. If this force keeps increasing, galaxies won't hold together, stars won't remain bound, and eventually, even the smallest pieces of matter may not stay intact. The universe isn't just changing, it's moving in a direction we didn't expect. Number 8, the intergalactic scream. Imagine a burst of energy so intense it releases more power in a split second than our sun produces in an entire year. Now imagine this isn't rare. These events are happening constantly across the universe. Scientists call them fast radio bursts. They were first discovered in 2007, completely by chance. Since then, many more have been detected coming from billions of light years away. Each burst appears without warning, unleashes a massive amount of energy, and then disappears. Some have only been seen once, others return again and again, flashing from the same distant region of space on a regular pattern. Their strength alone is difficult to explain. What makes them stranger is that we still don't know what creates them. They don't match any known cosmic process. These powerful signals are going off somewhere in the sky every second, and the universe remains silent about their source. Number 7, the cosmic ghost. There are over 200 billion stars in our galaxy alone, and there are over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. When you look at numbers like that, the math seems simple. With so many stars and planets, the universe should be full of life, the sky should be crowded with signals, technology, and evidence of civilizations far older than ours. But when scientists listen, they hear nothing. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a simple question: where is everybody? This question became known as the Fermi paradox. According to probability, intelligent life should be common, yet the universe remains silent. To explain this, some scientists proposed the idea of a great filter, a barrier or event that prevents civilizations from advancing far enough to be noticed. The silence of space may not be empty at all, it may be a warning. Number 6, the wandering signal. In 1977, astronomer Jerry Emmon was scanning radio signals using the Big Ear Observatory at Ohio State University. While reviewing the data, he noticed something unusual. A strong signal appeared from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. It was clear, narrow, and far more powerful than background noise. The signal lasted for 72 seconds. It looked exactly like what an artificial broadcast should look like. Emmon was so surprised that he circled the signal on the printout and wrote one word next to it: wow. And then it was gone. Scientists pointed radio telescopes back at the same region of space for decades. The signal never returned. No one has been able to explain where it came from. It may have been a natural event, or it may have been something else. To this day, it remains one of the most mysterious signals ever detected. Number 5, the placebo effect. Imagine you have a severe headache, you go to a doctor, and they give you a new treatment. They tell you it works every time. You take it, and soon the pain is gone. Later, you find out the treatment contained nothing active at all. This is called the placebo effect. It isn't just imagined. Studies show real physical changes happen in the body. The brain releases its own pain-reducing chemicals, blood pressure can drop, symptoms can fade. In some cases, even procedures that involve no real medical action have shown similar results. The strange part is that we don't fully understand how this works. Belief alone can trigger measurable effects, but we can't reliably control it. All we know is that the human mind can influence the body in ways science still struggles to explain. It may be the most powerful tool we have, and we barely understand it. Number 4, Einstein's spooky connection. Imagine you have 2 coins, you keep one, and you give the other to a friend who travels to the opposite side of the world. The moment you look at your coin and see heads, you instantly know the other coin is tails. This strange idea is similar to a real phenomenon called quantum entanglement. When 2 particles become linked, their states remain uncertain until one is measured. The moment that happens, the other particle instantly takes on a matching state. no matter how far apart they are. This happens faster than the speed of light. It directly challenged a rule Einstein believed in. He disliked the idea so much that he called it spooky action at a distance. Even today, scientists can observe this effect, but they still don't fully understand how it works. It suggests that the universe may be connected in ways we can't see, and that our understanding of reality may be incomplete. Number 3, the Great Silence. You will spend about 1/3 of your life asleep. You lie down, your body relaxes, and your conscious awareness shuts off. During that time, you are completely vulnerable. Even so, your brain does not stop working. While you sleep, it remains highly active. Scientists have studied sleep for centuries and know it plays a critical role in survival. It helps repair the body, strengthens the immune system, and improves memory and focus. Sleep affects nearly every system in the body, yet despite how essential it is, we still don't understand its true purpose. Why would evolution create a state that forces complex creatures to become defenseless for hours at a time? We can't live without sleep. If deprived of it, the mind begins to break down. We know sleep is necessary, we just don't know why. Number 2, life's impossible spark. About 3.5 billion years ago, Earth looked nothing like it does today. The planet was extremely hot, constantly active, and exposed to intense radiation. By all expectations, life should not have been possible, and yet, life appeared. You are made of simple, non-living materials, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, so the question is simple: how did a collection of lifeless chemicals turn into living organisms? Scientists call this mystery abiogenesis. It is one of the greatest unanswered questions in science. We know the building blocks of life exist. Experiments have shown that basic components can form under the right conditions. Some have even been found arriving from space. But building the parts is not the same as creating life. We have never been able to make a living cell from scratch. We know life continues, we just don't know how it began. Number 1, consciousness. Right now, you are aware that you are listening. You can think, remember, and feel. This experience feels natural, but science still can't explain how it happens. Your brain is made of cells and electrical signals, so is a computer, but only one of them is aware. Scientists can map brain activity, measure signals, and identify regions linked to thought. But none of that explains why experience exists at all. Why does seeing light feel like something? Why does pain hurt? We know damaging certain parts of the brain can change personality, memory, or awareness. We know consciousness can fade during sleep or anesthesia, but no one knows how the brain produces it in the first place. Consciousness isn't located in one spot. It isn't a substance we can isolate, and yet, it defines everything you experience. Science can describe what the brain does, it still can't explain why you are here to notice it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy videos like this, consider liking the video and subscribing for more. New episodes explore strange questions science still can't fully answer.